Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how I get my hair like this. It's just like heatless, beachy waves, and I just use only a few products and no heat. This is what I do to my hair pretty much every day when I shower in the morning, and naturally I have pretty like coarse frizzy hair. Like, it's not straight, like obviously it's not straight, it's like a wavy texture. So if you want to see how I get my hair like this, then keep watching. Okay, so first, to get all the knots out of my hair and get it in the right part, I just use this like pick comb kind of thing. So I just use this side and I'll just start from the bottom. Now we're here. But I'm going to start from the bottom and then just brush all of my hair. Now I'm just going to part my hair. I part my hair with this end, so I'm just going to look in the mirror over here. Okay, so now that my hair is all combed out, I'm going to put in my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Anti-Frizz Serum for frizzy dry hair. And I'm just going to put about 3 pumps because I have pretty thick hair. I'm going to rub it between my hands. And then mostly on the ends I'm going to put it. And I just spray this, like, try to get it evenly through my hair. Garnier Fructis style curl construct mousse, and I have the weightless curl hold in like the number 3. So I just use this, shake it up. And then lastly, I use my Aussie spray gloss just to kind of keep the frizzies down and like my little flyaways. So that is how I get my everyday, like, natural curly wavy hair. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed. Bye.